In this video, we'll be creating a web scraper using Axiom AI. Axiom AI allows you to create browser automations quickly without code. We'll be scraping the command Codeless sandbox and writing the data into a Google Sheet. You can create an Axiom AI account at axiom.ai. You'll need to download it and install the Chrome extension for this project. You can begin the installation process by clicking Download Free Trial. The process is very well explained. Rest assured, Axiom AI has a free plan. View their pricing page to check it out. For convenience, I've timestamped this video in the description. Furthermore, I've linked an article there which explains the legalities of web scraping. Once you've downloaded Axiom AI, open the Chrome extension. If you're new to Axiom AI, you'll have some example projects showcased for you. You can keep, review, or delete them. Together, we'll be working through how to create a web scraper from scratch in Axiom AI. Before we create the web scraper, connect Google Sheets under External Services. I've already connected my account. It's an easy one-click process. We can continue once you've connected your Google Sheets account. Click Create a new Axiom. Then you'll want to click Build your own Axiom by adding steps one by one. Let's title our task Countries by Population. Go to commandcodeless.com/sandbox. We're going to be scraping the name and population of each country on this web page. Open the Axiom AI Chrome extension. The first step for our scraper will be to get data from a web page. Under URLs, click Get Current URL. That'll take the address of the web page you're on, in our case, the command Codeless sandbox. Now, we'll want to select the data we wish to scrape. Under Select Data, click the Select Data button. Now, start by selecting each country. You'll notice that after we click the first few, the others get highlighted. The scraper has noticed that we want to scrape them all. You can expand the extension at the bottom of the page. From there, you can see the text that it will scrape when we run this web scraper. We also want to scrape the population of each country. Click the plus sign. The reason being, we want to scrape another piece of data from this web page. Now, start by selecting each population. You'll notice that after we click the first few, the others highlight. The scraper has noticed that we want to scrape them all. You can expand the extension at the bottom of the page. Again, from there, you can see that it will scrape the text that's selected when we run this scraper. That's complete. Click the Confirm button, which is at the bottom of the page. Let's skip to max results. And for this project, let's limit it to 10. Now, we must write the data to our Google Sheet. To add another step, you'll want to click the plus sign. We'll want to add Write Data to a Google Sheet. Now, you must enter your spreadsheet URL. Let's switch over to a Google Sheet that I set up. Click Share. From there, what we'll want to do is click Change under Get Link, copy the link, and click Done. Now open the Axiom AI extension and paste that link into the spreadsheet URL. Under Sheet Name, the name of the sheet within that Google Sheet will appear. Under Data, you'll want to make sure that you've selected the data to write. In this case, it has selected the data at step 0, the first step. Also, we can toggle to clear data before writing to the sheet or to add existing data within the sheet. I'll make sure that it's set to clear. Also, let's create a display message to show upon completion. Click the plus sign. We'll want to add a display a message function. Let's enter the following message. Successfully scraped. Now, let's minimize the steps. You can now see the steps that the flow will go through to get us the data that we want. All that's left to do is run the scraper. To run our web scraper, click the play button. As soon as you've clicked play, the browser automation will start working in Chromium. First, our web scraping automation will go to the command Codeless sandbox. It will scrape the name and population of each country. We limited it to 10. Then our web scraping automation will go to Sheets and write the data, following which our confirmation message will get displayed. Our web scraper has worked successfully and effortlessly. It has scraped the command Codeless sandbox, going through the steps we defined. This project is now complete. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this no-code project, please give this video a like. And if you want to be notified of the latest projects that I publish every week, please subscribe. I'll see you in another no-code project.